I want to grow carnations in my aquarium gardens. On May 16, 2019, I cut a bush of carnations into two parts. The largest stem with blooms I used to make a time-lapse video published previously. The small stem without blooms I put in water. Initially I use a plastic bottle with dechlorinated tap water for this purpose. Only roots of the plant in the water. I keep it on a windowsill for a while. In the following week I move the plant into an aquarium garden. Here you can see it on June 7th. Roots grow very nicely. By June 13th the roots grow about 15 cm long. It takes about 1 month for the first pair of leaves to grow. Here you can see them on June 19th. August 11th, 2019. The roots of this carnation grow 22 cm long in the past 3 months. I move the carnations into a new 3-liter jar aquarium garden along with other plants. There is a new stem growing with light green leaves. August 24th, 2019. The new stem grows twice the length of the old stem in the past 2 weeks. Here you can see my growing underwater pothos. Looks pretty. September 10th, 2019. The new stem grows much taller while the old stem remains the same. All leaves are green and healthy. Roots are strong. This aquarium garden looks beautiful without any maintenance. October 2nd, 2019. The new stem has grown too long and it has bent down under its own weight in the past week. The top part of the stem already grew up the way it should do naturally to the light. My aquarium gardens get only indirect sunlight coming from the window. October 13th, 2019. This carnation plant has been growing with roots in aquarium for about half a year so far. It looks great and is ready for the winter. Have fun and happy aquarium gardens!